Dear Mr. Arnold Palmer, you have one hell of a drink. Oh my god, the name Arnold Palmer has legendary roots. As an original beverage combination of half iced tea and half lemonade. I'm not entirely 100% sure if you're still alive, but if you are, I'd like to go golfing sometime. I believe it would be in your best interest if you changed the photo of you plastered on all your products. But serious dude, you look like a pedophile. Maybe put a picture of you when you were a little bit younger. Dude, you like you just for a tad. Hey, have you ever thought or getting, selling this shit at Costco so you could get this in a bucket or a keg? Cause this shit runs out too fast. Oh shit. Props there, man. You look pretty old, but you still got a lot of hair. Dude, I bet you've banged a bunch of chicks in those clubhouses. How is Arizona? Is it hot? Do you have a swimming pool in your backyard? If so, where is said pool? There should be a picture somewhere on this package. Because that pool probably couldn't beat how refreshing this beverage is. Why is there an umbrella on the cover of this bottle? I was under the impression Arizona wasn't rainy. This is one hefty jug. No, really, it's not like a milk jug. You couldn't stab this thing with a pencil, no sir. A milk jug would get a hole from a pencil wound. Then there would be milk everywhere and Webster would be all like, all the milk. Yum, I'm licking it all up. .so, right on Arnold. Is that how I spell Arnold? Break for food back in 10. I didn't really stir up the beef flavor in my ramen very well. Salty. Is that his peeing wine? But seriously, what's your other favorite kinda drink? You can't just drink half iced tea, half lemonade all day. What do you like to drink when you are hungover? Well, I think that is all we got to say right now. Good day, sir. If I don't see ya before you die, I'll see ya in hell. Sincerely, Ben, Ian.